ready for battle at the Alamo. I went and got my nails done. Blake washed Looney while I was gone. She looks so good. We need to, what'd you say, buff the fenders?
Yeah, there's some sap on them.
This is loose a little bit, huh? But what's wrong with the stacks? Right. You okay?
We need to put these on the black one.
Okay. What is, oh, the washers or what?
The bolts. And just like rust lines.
Oh, yeah, right there.
And up here.
That's annoying. SOS won't get that off?
I can polish it off, but it doesn't even work.
Oh, yeah, that's just tree sap. That'll come off, huh? Well, just don't push hard. Oh, it's...
The worst thing will happen, paint falls off. Oh, well.
Oh, well. Hey, so what did Morgan say about this truck?
To take it to Tom and see if he can do it like an in-depth read on it, because the cam position sensor only goes to the ECM.
Right.
So there's a short pigtail, and I even grounded that all out, like with wire.
Yeah,
to the
what did it
ECM,
do?
And it still did the same thing. But we need to figure out why the super chip's locked.
Did you look under the transmission where I read about that wire?
Yeah, there's a wire down there by the ECM that's grounded.
It is grounded? Well, hell. I don't
And
know.
there's supposed to be another one down in here.
God darn, that looks good. This is what it did look like. It had like some kind of... I feel like it's from the Roadrunner. He always dances on there. I think it's like just blood and guts and poop. Look at that reflection. Woo.
Still got some shit, but that's another day.
Let me see. I got it. Are we on this right now? Well, what do you think this show is going to be like at the new venue?
Definitely a lot smaller than the last one.
You think?
Oh, way smaller. It's down.
Right. All right, it's Friday morning. I am putting the last stuff in our bags, and we are about to leave to go drop the puppies off. Who's ready to go bye-bye? Y'all want to go bye-bye? Let's go. Let's go bye-bye. So we're going to meet Blake's dad. They watch the dogs whenever we're gone. Here's the trucks. I'm gonna drive the black one. Blake's gonna drive Looney Tune. I'm excited. I can't wait to start on this truck. We're gonna redo the whole interior. Day Cab Company is gonna work with us on it. It's gonna look so good. I don't think Lola's ever ridden in this truck. Do you like it? Oh, we're leaving. We made it out to San Antonio. We are about to unload the Denali. We brought it just so that we had a vehicle to drive here. And we're at the trailer parking. This is my least favorite part.
Well,
is getting to the shows and parking.
uh-oh. I might have to poop.
Again?
No.
Oh,
Good right now.
that's surprising.
Coming soon, son. Coming soon. I'm not gonna say it's not gonna happen. Oh, good. There's even more poops right there.
Oh, perfect.
How convenient of a place.
This is a perfect place for you.
Shout out the battle for the...
You're always shouting out to people. I love it. Shout out. Shout out.
I just want to give a shout out to my trailer sponsors. Daddy's Wallet. Whoever.
Who's Daddy? Looney's getting judged right now. We weren't gonna enter it, but we figured why not. Blake said he had a good idea on how to park the truck. We have a huge spot all the way in front of this building is our space, so he said he has a good idea. just got to our Airbnb. Honestly, I was so nervous driving through the neighborhood, but how cute is this place? I'm so excited. It's adorable. I'm glad you're such a good driver. Look at this tiny area that he just got through. We had to ask this kind lady over there with the Porsche. She backed her car and off of the road, but we made it.
Hey.
How was your drive?
It wasn't too bad. It was worth it, you know.
Yeah.
Good old San Antonio.
You gonna be able to handle this meat?
Oh, always. Just the right amount of meat.
It's so nasty out here.
Holy rain.
God, it's so gross. They have 2 Porsches over there? You think that people live there?
I gotta go, shit.
Can you see the phone a lot?
Cool, like a big old fucking
I think
panther.
people would love that.
It'd be different.
Bro, look at the hair though, you know? Am I balding? No! So, that's what we're thinking. Too bad Jeff's not here. He's in there masturbating.
Yeah, he actually has been in there a really long time.
Hey, conditioner, your food's here! The show still isn't even open.
Opens at 11.
Yeah.
They said they start letting people in at 10 o'clock.
Oh, like the vendors and stuff?
Yeah, vendors and show trucks are allowed in at 10.
Oh,
They don't open to the public till 11.
Holy squeaky chair.
How hard would it be to take that Ford cab off of there?
Not hard.
And put a Peter Belt one on?
Not hard. Control.
That's what I mean, like.
Not that hard. Because I'm sure it's just like a fucking cable shift transmission. And then the gas pedal and all that, that's easy.
I think
It's
that'd
just
be
a
pretty
12 valve.
badass.
Beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes.
We
Big old
need to-
flatbed
Yeah, I
on
was
it.
gonna say, we need to put a flatbed on the back.
I want
so
to put a flatbed on our silver dually. Painted to match, big old front bumper.
I think it'd look good.
You seen that one that kid Cade Smith had?
Look good.
Pretty badass or what?
Does your jaw pop? It's too much sucking dick or what?
Well, we're out.
Like he been fucking popping him in the head 2 months. It's a Duramax.
That's all he has is like he builds flatbed dualies lately.
That's
But I'm gonna
cool.
show you his GMC.
I got so much shit I want.
Me too. I
I'm
gotta
debating
start selling my
chopping the frame
butthole or
on mine.
something.
Why?
Stretch it to a dually.
Why?
What?
Just buy one.
Because I'd rather just pay off my truck.
Yeah.
Hey Jeff. Jeff,
Do you feel better?
are you a little lighter?
Video.
Yeah.
No. It might take him 2 weeks to call you back.
Oh no. That's terrible. Was that like during COVID?
No, that was just recently.
Look at that.
All bowed up.
Thank you. I'm so happy the sun came out.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah.
Getting that YouTube content or what?
Yeah.
For real? Nice.
You gotta kind of hold up on this thing.
You don't know what that driver's gonna do, look.
I'm the only drunk one in here is driving. White girl came around and looked at us like we were crazy.
Oh, they're up to something funny in there, dude.
What's up? Blake's bank account's gonna be ruined. We gotta get one.
I thought you were on to something.
Right!
Hold on, brother.
No.
Look how cute this water is.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They have SpongeBob too, and Blake wouldn't match me. You don't want water?
No, come on.
You got a boring one? Outlaws, baby! All we're trying to do is go home, take a shower, go out and party in Jeffrey's rock lights. We're ruining the evening. Babe.
That's why you don't put them on.
Anti-rock light himself.
Yeah.
Look at him out there just freezing.
Man, swamp puppy gonna die out there.
You cold?
Hey,
He's mad. You cold, Dylan?
it's a bit nipply.
There we go.
Yeah! That's why you have mechanic friends. What's happening? That's your favorite part of the show, ain't it?
Leaving, baby!
You just get to act an ass.
Yeah.
It's so fun. We got Dylan bringing the Denali. Loading up.
Oh, Delon.
trailer?
On the trailer.
Well, God darn!
Take your phone and go video.
Truck's getting stolen.
Oh no.
Got their kegels around. Got a bad juju. It's gone now. It's okay. He'll be right back.
He'll be right back. Dylan just called us. He left all his bags in the back seat of our truck. So we're waiting for him on the side of the road. It's hard having kids, man. Blake's a great dad.
Front deal gone bad.
God, what a child!
Hey, we said we'd be right back.
At least you remembered.
Yeah. Had a good time.
Yeah. All right.
Y'all have
See you
fun.
later. Be careful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hi, baby. Hi. Lily. Hi, Lily. Hi, Goose. Oh my goodness. We just made it home. We got the girls. And we have been trying to grow grass out here forever. And look how pretty it is. It's finally growing. Like overnight. All right. Till next time. Peace out.